Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Facebook app keeps crashing or it is not working properly after iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18 but your Facebook app is not working properly or it keeps crashing, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook app in your device. So guys, for that you have to simply open your app store and search here for Facebook. And from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook app in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open your settings and search here for general and tap on general and scroll it below and go to iPhone storage. Scroll it below and open your Facebook from here and offload your Facebook app for one time from here. So I simply tap on offload app from here, and after this reinstall your Facebook app again in your device from here as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.